Hi guys, this is Press and of course, test naman natin tong TM22 ko with suppressor and of course the scope. So, nilagay natin siya guys. So, dati na-test natin ito na wala. Ngayon, test naman natin na meron siya. Tingnan natin yung performance niya. Yun guys, testin natin tong TM22 with some of the upgrades. Yun guys, sa pan-testing may TM22, ang ganda ng suppressor. Ganda, napaka-tahimik, and of course the scope, bagay na bagay. So maganda siya pang farm, pang hunting. So yun, napakaganda rin ang forma niya. So yun na guys, this is Press checking TM22 with upgrade.